Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's Tristan. Today in this video, what we got going on here, almost started the video without the sneaker in hand, but what we got right here is a pair of SB Dunk Lows. These were just sitting at my local skate shop, man. A nice SB Dunk Low collab from a bit ago, and I was like, you know what, I'll let these sit there for a couple days, because they had let me know that this sneaker was there, and I was like, alright, maybe I'll go and grab them. You know, it's a cool pair. I'll give it a couple days, though, because I don't want to take a pair, you know, from somebody that may actually, you know, want it to, like, you know, rock or whatever. So I'll give it a couple days. I'll wait till, like, midway through the school week. If they're still there, I'll cop them. And, well, they were still there. Nobody had came through and got them yet. So I was like, alright, you know what? I guess they're meant for your boy. So we got a size 9 pair right here. Pretty cool collab. I'll show you all the size tag right there. So some of y'all may know what that is already. But we'll get into it because, again, these were just sitting. So easy little flip for me because that's probably what I'll be doing with them. But it is my size, so I have to think about it. But yeah, shout out my local for getting me right with a pair. I really appreciate you guys. Also went to social status today, tried to cop the UNC 17s. I don't know, it was just weird when I went there. Like I did not get them, obviously. Like I'd be doing a video on them if I did. I do have some other ones on the way, so like there will be a video. It's just gonna be a bit delayed. But yeah, the dude, like when I went in there and asked, he emphasized to me that they were sold out three times within the same sentence. And one thing I've been taught is that if something's truthful, right? If someone's telling you the truth, they don't got to tell it to you multiple times within the same sentence. So, and my local social status was the one that got caught for that huge backdooring scandal. So, like, I never can tell if the employees are being honest with me. So I was just like, all right, bro. I looked in there for like 2 minutes and I was like, all right, peace out. I'm heading to my local. And then, yeah, I caught these. Which, again, I'm cool with it. I knew I was walking away today with something. So, yeah, I was cool with whatever, you know what I mean? If I got them or if I did. But, like, I feel like they're probably bullshitting me a little bit because they literally had just gotten them last night and then they're already sold out by like 11 a.m. the next day. They had just opened up like I think like an hour ago. There wasn't even like a line outside or something. Again, I'm not a dumb person. I can read it. But again, that's everything I need to say. If y'all want to check out my Instagrams, any of that down below, feel free. Always buying, selling, and trading here. So if you guys need anything, let me know. And again, you guys can subscribe and like for more content like this. Trying to 200 likes in this video. Again, you know, I am probably going to be doing another giveaway here soon because y'all been killing it on the channel lately. The support has been crazy. We just hit 82K, so thank you guys. You know, road to 100K continues, so I'm going to keep grinding for that. So, again, thank you guys. Don't forget, check us out down below at Resale Vision. You guys can see some of the undermarket sneakers we've done this week. We got more coming this week. I mean, that's what we do. We try and provide you the best. More undermarket sneakers, more items, more stuff that you're going to want to flip or just for your personal collection. That's what we do, so do not miss out on that. And we're also giving away a free pair of SBs right now down below, a pair of Alexis Sablon SBs. So if you want a chance to win a free pair, make sure you guys get in there and do not miss out on that. But that's everything I need to say pretty much. I hope y'all will enjoy this video, and I'm just going to get into showing y'all this pair of SB Dunk Lows, which again, still a great sneaker. Do not know why these were just, you know, sitting for retail price, but let's get into it. Well, I kind of know why, and that's, again, something I'll discuss in this video. So, the pair of sneakers we got right here is the There Skateboards SB Dunk Low. As you guys can see, this is just a size 9. Size 9 goes for about 175 bucks for anybody curious, and all in, I paid like 150 on these. But again, still a nice SB collaboration. I think one of the main things I like about this sneaker is, well, I mean, there is some definite, like, I'll say this, there's some interesting things on the sneaker. But aside from that, like, I still think it is a pretty cool design overall. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I do like how that kind of gray, black, and green colorway hits. I just think it's a really nice kind of fall colorway. The soles are actually pretty nice. Also, you guys may be able to see that. I got There's logo, so I thought that was pretty cool, you know what I mean? They did a good job with designing the sneaker. The tongue tag is unique as well. Y'all can probably get a little glimpse at that. The insole's kind of like that bright blue. And yeah, that's really what I can say. So y'all can see right there. There is the Nike logo on the heel. Again, that's in Their Skateboards font. It's like this is the typical like font they use on like collaborations and just like on general apparel and things like that they make. So you can see Nike chose to use that for their font on the back of the sneaker right there. And then there is kind of like that hairy suede around the toe box of the shoe. And right there, well, on the toe box of the shoe itself, it's just kind of, you know, black suede. So that's something else I can show to you guys right there. But yeah, these were just sitting at my local. So I want to know what y'all's thoughts on this collaboration. I know there's a lot of opinions on their skateboards, but personally for me, I really like. I do not care about that. You know what I mean? Like it's whatever. And we got some extra laces with these. I forgot to like show y'all these. So let me do that. Here we go. I almost forgot to show them all. But yeah, we got like these really fat like orange laces right there. Then we also got, you know, these
these green ones with them, and then aside from the green ones right there, these are probably the ones I would actually wear them with, these orange and black ones. I actually think these laces are sick right there. These are the ones I saw their skateboards post on their Instagram, like when the collaboration was like just starting. Like this, I saw the pair posted with these, and I was like, man, these with these orange laces would look really good. So I do actually have a size 9, like a 9 or 10 that I got on ice already. So these, again, I'm probably just gonna be flipping or something like that. I'm not too sure. But yeah, again, like I might toe these because I feel like this would probably fit me better than the 10. But again, I just want to know y'all's thoughts on these. Do any of you guys have these sitting at your local shops? Let me know. I think I might have gotten the last one today. But again, I told y'all I was just giving people time. I let them sit there for a bit. And yeah, after a couple days, they were still there, which kind of surprised me. I was like, all right, I'd given it a couple days. Like, nobody had came and like came through and grabbed them for any reason, and no. So that's just something I'm kind of learning more about my local shop. And it's like they actually have like stuff. Oh, and the black laces with these. I almost forgot to show them. But yeah, my local shop has good stuff sit for a little bit. So like that's just something I'm kind of like starting to realize. It's like, oh wait, like if it's like a SB that goes like a little bit lower in like value sometimes, like I'll have a couple days to maybe come through and like get some stuff. So that's like something I've kind of realized. There's all the laces stacked in on the inside of the shoe right there. But that's something I've realized. Like these dropped, I think it was like end of August. Right, something like that. So, or not end of August, like I think yeah, because we're at the end of August right now, getting in to the start of September. So I think these dropped like mid-August, start of August, and yeah, they still had a pair there. So I was like, all right, you know what I mean, like I guess it's just my lucky day. So that's something that we have right there, the Dare Skateboards SB Dunk Low. This was just sitting at my local. Let me know if y'all have any heat sitting at your locals. I got the Chameleons still there. That's what I'm talking about. Again, if they got Chameleons in like a big size in a couple days, like if I go there and I'm like, y'all got them in like a 12, and they say yes, because I'm gonna give it a couple days, like, you know, let's say like this weekend, like I go there and they end up having them, I'm gonna be like, dang, like people are just, again, that's more heat people are letting go for the low, because those are two nice collaborations, regardless of what you think of, you know, Alexis Sablon or again Dare Skateboards. Just two good sneakers that, again, I can see aging well, because they're cool colorways, but also they have that unique touch. They have multiple laces. They have lots of like small details on each one that make it a good sneakers. That's just something I want to mention to you guys. If you ever need to know what shoes to hold on to, SB Dunk Lows. Even these ones are going to go up in price, even though they're controversial to some people, and some people really do not like their skateboards. Yeah, like I don't have a problem with it, and I know this is a sneaker that most people aren't going to like dive deep into the brand, and they're actually just going to look at how the shoe looks like on feet. And these actually look really nice on feet. So that's one of the main things I'll say. But yeah. Nice SB collaboration was sitting at my locals. So let me know your thoughts again on the Dare Skateboards SB Dunk Low. I think someone bought this pair off me. Or another size 9 off me. I'm not sure if it's this exact one. I'll check. But shout out to whoever that was. And again, don't forget, if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. I'll bring y'all just more kind of general unboxings like this. I didn't have like a super informational topic to discuss today. I should have another one tomorrow. We're going to be getting into the Birdie SB Dunk Low, maybe a little how-to cop for that. But I'll probably be doing a resale prediction tomorrow, just a little early one, kind of where I think the market's going to land. I'll give kind of like a breakdown of that, since we have had them drop in Korea, so I think it's like a good time to, you know, give a breakdown of where the market may end up, because Asia actually gives us a really good indication of where the market's going to head for a lot of sneakers, because they'll sometimes get them first and kind of, you know, set the resale price. But then if EU gets them after us, then we really have to think about it, because the EU boys, they do not play. They will drop the price of a sneaker, no problem. Shout out to all my guys in the EU, though. I love you guys. It is not your fault, because the same thing happens in the US. If we get a drop first, we break the price. That's just how it is. But yeah, what else was I going to say? Don't forget, check me out. My Instagram's down below. Always buying, selling, and trading. And check us out at Resale Vision, man. Some of the undermarket sneakers we're doing. Again, we're giving away a free pair of SB Dunk Lows this week. If that's what you're into, you want a chance to win a free pair of SBs, you want to get access to undermarket shoes we do every single day, make sure you guys don't miss out. We drop a ton every single day. I'm going to be doing much more tonight. So yeah, don't miss out on the action. Don't miss out on the fun, because we do the deals every single day, and that's what we bring to you guys. Actually, one thing I'm going to do right now after this video, I'm gonna finish editing this video. Then I got like some homework to do, but the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go drop some deals. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to do them a little bit earlier today. So I'm T. Thank you guys. We'll catch y'all in the next video tomorrow. And yeah, again, just let me know your thoughts on this SB Dunk Low. Good SBs sitting. I mean, again, I know opportunity when I see it. And yeah, I mean, again, if we're just going to let good sneakers sit for a bit, no problem over here. No problem. I'll be here. So that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video tomorrow. Do not miss out on that. Peace.